Hey everybody, welcome to Unity Schools here in Balsam Lake, Wisconsin. I'm Dazzling Dave, and all the kids who are here for the summer program on this Friday got a special Dazzling Dave Manta Ray yo-yo. I wanted to make a quick video for you so that you could see how this yo-yo works, and then to provide information to you to be able to teach your kids, or if kids are watching, you guys can learn how to do some of the tricks. Down below in the description where I'll put all the links to how to cut a string to the right height, how to change the yo-yo string if yours breaks, and also links to certain tricks. Right now I want to tell you a couple important things. You have a Manta Ray yo-yo. It's a good yo-yo, $10. It's tough, it shouldn't break. If you have any troubles, let me know. But it's currently triple loop. That means it will not sleep. If you're wanting to make it sleep, follow the link in the description about how to make a Manta Ray sleep. The number one thing I want to tell you about is the playlist on my website. I have playlists to guide you to different things, and the one you should all go to right away is Beginners Watch This First. It walks you through all the steps of learning the basic trick, how to do the dribble, the throwdown, all the basics. It'll also talk about, with the Manta Ray, that you can unscrew the yo-yo. If you ever have troubles, unscrew it to get out the knot. And when you get to the inside, there's a wooden axle that is triple looped. If you want it to sleep, it has to be single loop. And again, I explain that in my other videos. So again, if you're part of the group here at Unity Schools, thanks for coming today to this Friday summer school. Thanks for learning how to get started yo-yoing in these workshops. I hope you had fun, and I hope you take it a lot further and learn more. Thanks for watching.